Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow gardeners. In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Sand and Roblox's Grow a Garden. Zen Sand is a unique cosmetic item that brings a serene aesthetic to your farm. It's not about gameplay mechanics, but rather about creating a beautiful, tranquil space. This special sand is part of the exciting Zen event, offering a chance to truly personalize your virtual garden with a touch of peaceful design. Let's dive into how you can get and use this lovely decoration. Acquiring Zen Sand is straightforward. You can buy it directly from the Zen shop for 15 Kai, a special event currency, or for 89 Robux. To gather Kai, simply submit your tranquil mutated plants to the Tanuki non-player character. These unique tranquil plants appear during the hourly Zen Aura weather events, so keep an eye on your garden. Remember, the Zen shop refreshes its stock every 60 minutes, so check back often for new opportunities. Once you have your Zen Sand, the fun of decorating begins. You can place this beautiful sand anywhere in your garden to cultivate a peaceful, themed aesthetic. Feel free to combine it with other Zen-themed items, like the hot spring or Zen rocks, also found in the Zen shop, to create a truly cohesive and harmonious environment. Use it to fill empty spaces, design winding paths, or craft intricate patterns, bringing a sense of calm to your entire farm. To make the most of your Zen Sand experience, remember these event insights. The Zen shop's inventory expands as you contribute tranquil fruits to the Zen channeler's tree, unlocking more unique items. Since Zen Sand is a rare, limited-time cosmetic, it's wise to acquire it while the event is active. To maximize your Kai earnings, focus on collecting high-rarity tranquil mutated plants, as they yield more Kai when submitted. Enjoy creating your serene Roblox garden.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.